Hey all, before we get into this video, just note it's part of my full cleaning tutorial with lots more tips and in-depth insight into how to clean your LG washer dryer combo, so be sure to check that after this and I'll put a link to it down below and at the end. So let's get started. Enjoy. Here we need to drain the hose and take the lint out of the filter. Now before you do this, and this is LG's recommendation, you put a tray of some kind under there. I've got a dirty grill pan that needs washing anyway, and I'm going to have to open that compartment. But I'll also do, if I can do this, I'll put a rag or a towel there to try and catch any water that might come out as well. Okay, so this was the one I used earlier. And let's just flick this catch open, and you've got some more instructions there if you want to follow, but I've just been checking with the LG website. So first we're going to do the hose, and don't pull it out too far. It's got a screw cap on the end, and then we're going to do the lint filter. So I'm going to try this with the one hand. I think I'm going to have to pause. This is a bit too hard, but basically I just twist that off. Water's going to come out for a few seconds, and I'll catch it in the tray and then put it back. Let me pause as I do that. Okay, so you can see that filling up with water. Hopefully this is going to be enough. Again, I'll pause. 30 seconds later, still going. Now this might depend on your machine, but you can hear it gurgling. I'll pause again. And it's starting to slow up now. And yeah, the grill pan has been absolutely fine. It's just a covering, but that's it. So I'll just take that cap, screw that back on again with two hands, and I'll just connect it, put it back in place in the compartment there. So that was easy enough. Literally just screwed that cap back on and clipped it back in as I found it. Next thing, now I want to take this filter out. Just turn it clockwise, excuse that. It's a bit stubborn at first. Just a couple of twists, and let's see what lint we've got in here. Okay. Oh, you can hear something dropping out. I'm just going to give that a once over with a brush and again some warm water, a bit of detergent, and that is my lint filter cleaned. Pause as I do that. Okay, so I've just removed the hair from the lint filter by hand and all the others, but there's some quite grimy stuff on here that I definitely want to get rid of, and I'm going to need a brush and a scourer and some warm water and detergent for that. So I'm going to pause as I do that, but look at that in there on that seal, really yucky stuff. I'll pause now as I do it. Alright, so my lint filter can now go back in, just as we pulled it out. Just put it in, and then I'll just turn it clockwise, I think, to get it back in. Okay, and then that's just clicked, or it's at least stopped, and that is in place. So I've drained my water, cleaned my lint filter, and now we're ready for the next step, to actually run the tub clean cycle. Of course, I'm just going to get rid of this water down the sink and then wash my grill pan in the dishwasher. Okay, so I've got rid of the water, push that in,